Why do I allow myself to be so childish? Like,
Your makeup brush is on now.
bubble, bubble, toil and trouble.
Fire burn.
Cauldron bubble.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You nasties! Disgusting! So look what we discovered. This is a...
Only for Halloween. Wet n Wild be coming through. Look at that purple.
Ooh.
Look at that highlighter red.
Ooh.
Oh! I mean, this highlighter is gorgeous.
Like cute Chris Jericho's ooh.
Oh! Ooh!
Ooh.
Liquid lip.
Ah, goes with the liquid lipstick. Ooh.
Wait a second.
This is pretty. Oh, 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 oh. Look at that. Holy. Yo, Wet n Wild was just like, hold my beer. Like, we heard about Jeffrey's mystery boxes. Look at that. All black.
All the way around.
Smudge proof. Oh, they even got contouring palettes. I always wanted to try it. Wet n Wild has never been, like, bad with me. I've always liked Wet n Wild. So, I'm... Ooh. Look, they got all... Child. Look at this. Oh, this is cream metallics. Okay, I come in. Ooh.
What is this?
Oh, look at this shade shifting blush. That's Finishy spray.
Yeah.
Yo, Wet n Wild went ham. They're like, yo, bitch, we got you. So I'm feeling really cute here at Walmart, right? Because I want to get Halloween costumes, but Trigger wants to be a dick and say no. But yet, he dresses up like a cowboy and wrestles other sweaty men in the ring. Oh my God, hold. Hello, NYX Cosmetics.
Yes.
Look at this. NYX is going ham. That's a nice liner. I like those blues. Oh, they got the glitter. This is actually really good. I had this like not too long ago, so. And they got all this really nice stuff. This is pretty. Ooh, booster drops. We are childish. Sorry. It's just, that is cute. Put all our makeup brushes in. We really are big kids, like seriously. Look, we only came in for a couple of items, and this is what, and this is what,
Six items.
you know how you go to the store and you're like, all right, we got our list, we're good to go, and then this happens? Like, that's what happened to us today. And I'm wearing this stupid hat on my head. Our Walmart adventure. Zooming through the sky, little. Hey, climb on board, get ready to explore. Oh my God. Ooh!
Oh!
They're so fluffy. I could die. I wish I had tiny feet. So, $200 later, I still got my hat. We're adulting properly. We really are. Excuse me. So, now we have done the adulting part of our day. And now for the childish part of our day. We're going to Ruby's Costume Company. We're going to go Halloween shopping for costumes. And I'm trying to get Trigger to wear a costume. But he's like, I don't wanna. I'm grown up. That way. He thinks he's a grown up. Meanwhile, he dresses like a cowboy and wrestles men for a belt that doesn't even hold their pants up. I like my hat. Everything is super when you're G. Don't I look so cute in my hat?
You're stupid.
So now it's costume picking time. We will see you at Ruby's.
No.
Going to TJ Maxx as a detour. Because we're adults and this is how we do things.
We made good time.
Yo, for real. Listen, it's Saturday. The boys are doing...
And I'm feeling right.
Oh, yes, it's ladies' night. Oh, what a night. Ooh, what a night. So yeah, we're gonna make a... Ooh!
Oh!
Oh no, that's manure. It smelled like weed for a hot second. I was like, ooh, danky
That's
skunk.
exactly.
That's a cute little setup. So yeah, we decided... TJ Maxx is over there.
Okay.
We decided to detour to TJ Maxx real quick, so we'll be right back. Ooh, I mean, we can't take Lexa to the Halloween store because Pops are like, Halloween. So over $100 later and fighting with Trigger, we got our stuff and we never went to Ruby's because there was a spirit store right next to TJ Maxx. So yeah, there's that. And me almost getting into a fight with some bitch with a whiny baby. And me almost losing my phone. Yeah. So, that was our adventure. Adulting 101.
Oh my god, the ice cream.
Fuck, the ice cream been in there for a hot minute too.
Well,
Well, we're on our way home. We're on our way home. And yeah.
no place like home. There's no place like home.
This has been our adulting adventure.
It was horrible.
Don't forget to check out our next video. Keep it Gucci Gucci bitches. Happy Halloween. SOS. Please someone help me. It's not healthy for me to feel this way.